The ablative is a multifaceted case in Latin, taking many meanings according to the preposition it's accompanied with and according to the context. We have seen the ablative of means and the ablative of accompaniment, but we can still add a few more. The ablative of manner is another very important use for the ablative case. You will need to know how to recognize all of these. Although many sentences might contain the word with, not all of them will be translated in the same way. In the ablative of manner, the phrase starting with the preposition with answers the question how, or in which manner. In fact, this particular expression describes the way something is done or is taking place. You may remember that in the ablative of accompaniment, the preposition with is followed by a person. In the ablative of means, with is followed by an object of some kind. Here, the noun that follows the preposition with is usually an abstract noun. Manner is also easy to identify if in English we are able to substitute an adverb. She is running. How is she running? With grace or gracefully. They are fighting. How are they fighting? With courage or courageously. If you can't do this, then you are probably dealing with an ablative of means. He is fighting with a sword. How is he fighting? You can't say swordingly. He is fighting with a sword, so he is fighting by means of a sword. In the ablative of manner, the general rule states that 1. If the noun is not accompanied by an adjective, the preposition cum is required. Cum celeritate venerunt. 2. If the noun is accompanied by an adjective, then the use of cum is optional. It can be omitted or it can be used in the middle, between the adjective and the noun, which Latin seems to love doing. Magna celeritate venerunt, or magna cum celeritate venerunt. You may want to memorize some of these expressions, which are very common and rather proverbial. They are not found with a preposition, even if unaccompanied by adjective. Iure, silentio, forte, fraude, casu, consulto, hoc pacto, injuria, more, ioco, consulto, dolo, vi, ritu. Now let's see some sentences. Cum celeritate ad urbem appropinquant. Nota magna cum invidia celaverunt. Magna cum dignitate inter milites dux ambulat. Omnibus modis miser sum. Magna cum benevolentia agebat. Praestat cum dignitate cadere, quam cum ignominia servire. Servi magna cum diligentia laborabant. Let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.